You ever had that moment where a piece of tech doesn't feel like a gadget anymore? Yeah, I didn't expect this either. But somehow, this little robot right here has started to feel like part of my family. And that's kind of wild. This is the Enabot EBO Max FamilyBot. At first glance, cute, small, rolls around, nothing crazy. But give it a day, maybe two, and it starts remembering things, not just commands, you. The first time it surprised me, I didn't even say anything. I was just walking past the living room, and it turns toward me and goes, "Hey, it's almost 4 p.m. Don't forget your supplements." And I just stood there like, wait, who told you that? No one did. It remembered. Now it's just part of the house. Like, I can be out, at work, anywhere. Tap my phone, and suddenly I'm seeing through its camera, checking on things, checking on people. Hey, what's the dog doing? Boom. It rolls over. Where's everyone? It finds them. And it doesn't just stream video. It understands what you're asking. It breaks it down and just does it. No back and forth, no confusion. But the weirdest part? It remembers little things. Where people usually sit, what they like doing, even patterns. Like, have you checked the living room? And you're like, wait, yeah, that's exactly where I left it. That's when it hits you. This thing isn't just responding, it's paying attention. And then there are the fun moments. Telling stories to kids, taking photos when everyone's together, even calling someone for you when your hands are full. At one point, I literally said, "Call Dad." And it handled the whole thing, like a tiny assistant rolling around the floor. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. A robot, watching your home, learning everything? Yeah, that thought crossed my mind too. But here's the thing, it's not just watching, it's helping, organizing, remembering the stuff we forget every single day. And maybe that's why it doesn't feel like a device anymore. It feels like something that's actually part of the routine, part of the moments, part of the family. And honestly, I didn't see that coming.